Hey guys, it's Mark with M&S Outdoor Living coming back to you with yet another transformation, and today we are looking at the salt and pepper granite steps. Now here's our original design. We went with salt and pepper granite treads, obviously. We went with a Berkshire Blend Ashlar stone veneer, and we're coming in to look at these existing precast set of steps. Now here we are cutting this tread to length, and we are doing a dry lay to ensure that everything lines up properly and looks good aesthetically. So we went with Arctic's X77 to adhere the stone veneer to the substrate and act as a bed for the granite treads. Now this is a fiber reinforced concrete and modified thin set. So essentially they are interchangeable terms, but to be specific, it's sticky stuff. Here we are glazing the cake, or in this case applying it directly to the substrate. We typically install our beds at 3/8 of an inch. And you will notice a bit of a depth change between the outside border and the inside. So the inside is patio stock, and the outside border that I'm laying right now, that is our tread. Now because our treads are retaining our patio stock on the inside, we padded up our patio stock with modified Type S. So we added acrylic fortifier and a bonding adhesive to it. We have some of our stone veneer laid, and we are looking at that top after padding up that patio stock. You can see it sits nice and flat, and we are using our partner saw, or as it's referenced, a pull saw by Bauer. It's very important to note that this is a completely custom installation. We cut down every single piece of stone on this. The border, the patio stock, the stone veneer, everything is cut to vary with itself very well. We tried to be very considerate of the placement of the stone veneer, especially on the front of the steps. So we want to make sure that each piece translates well to the next one and that the shapes make sense with one another to create the aesthetic that we're looking to achieve. Now, if you're a returning viewer, you would have seen the original walkway that predated any work that we did over there. But if you are new to the channel, please feel free to check out the video of the installation of this walkway, and please hit that subscribe button. Thanks.